This is an updated technical analysis on Bitcoin cryptocurrency here off the daily interval, and I'd mentioned as an objective short trade entry January 21st, 2023, trading spot price 23,240, and that would be an ideal full position short trade setup on the top of this key primary trend range, coinciding with the 24,623 price resistance. Came to touch it, and we were rejected with velocity. Put in a sell signal on the 240-minute interval, and we have never looked back. Put in a steep negative divergent high, put in a nice clean divergence. We had clean now, all confirmed on all three indicators, negative and or bearish divergences with a moving average convergence crossover on a complete breakdown below the oscillator zero line there. And we've never looked back. The entire trade is good for, call it a 20% crash there. And we are at a key pivotal inflection point, coinciding with this primary downtrend line off the December 2021 reactionary highs, few reactionary lows to help validate that as well. We completely snapped the key 21,453 price support, big support there, and you could tell just the velocity of that candle drop there and that close, how pivotal that inflection point was. Big support, completely broke down. Now we ended up having stage for that near term counter trend rally that bounced right off that key functioning level, and we put in a solid daily candle close below it, and again we're touching that key primary downtrend line now. Call it the pin to the bubble of the November 2021 reactionary highs. We have the 200 day moving average honing in on below with the 19,611, call it a weekly interval support there, which is based off the 236 fibs support, the weekly interval again. So zoomed out when I color code some of these key levels, these are on different time frames. But again, I can't hype this up so much more. The 18,332 price support at the bottom of the trading range, call it the 236 fibs retracement off the Bitcoin USD ratio. That is the big level to watch. Short sellers, bears, they want to see a complete solid daily candle close below that for some big day of reckoning in the selling department to take place after that. And then dip buyers, they want to potentially step in right here. I would definitely talk about the risk reward ratio off that, get a triple line of confluence of support there. You got the primary downtrend line, you have the 200-day moving average, and the 19,611 price support. As good as support as you can get. Call it a level 8, level 9, 10 support. Triple line of support there for bull traders to step in there. And short sellers and or bear traders to cover their profits around this key range. So we'll see what happens. I'll zoom into the 240-minute interval where I had issued that sell signal, and it has followed. We ended up back testing this key inflection point, hugged it, this key resistance, never broke above it on a solid price action movement to the upside, and it was rejected impulsively, melted right through my key functioning 21,435 price support, and we've officially broke the 2696 price support here, which I would only expect again a big move down to the bottom of this key trading range here. That again, bull traders, long traders, they could begin to step in right here based off the daily interval support there. Big support here, so look for a reactionary low reaction or a breakdown below that reactionary low there, and then the moment that I've been long waiting for, the primary hidden uptrend line with multiple reactionary highs and lows to help validate it, coinciding with the 18,332 price support, is the big day that I want to see there. I want to see a completely see a reaction there. Bull traders, dip buyers, they need to step in at all costs there, and short sellers, they want to see a solid candle break below, 4-hour close below, which would issue a big sell signal in my opinion. And then we have that 17,109 price support to be tested there, and maybe even a back test, a counter trend rally, offering an additional objective short trade entry. Big divergences that we're building here over time, that we had been continuing to cover over time as everybody continued to buy the dip. Big, steep, huge, massive divergences on all three indicators there, and tested resistance 1, 2, 3 times, and never look back. So great setup. Congrats if you caught it. There's definitely some more, definitely a whole ton more trading ideas and trading opportunities that are going to accumulate over time during a bear market.